In the opening piece, bronze Lyres shimmer as a sunlit Aegean shore meets a Bronze Age harbor. A reed pipe joins, echoing across clay walls as traders recount legends, revealing how music signaled ritual and diplomacy. A lute-like instrument sings, its drone weaving with percussion while frescoed ships glide past a rocky isthmus. Text briefly frames each motif, linking it to mythic tides and memories of island kingdoms and coastal cities. The sequence closes with a ceremonial chant, leaving a reverent hush over early Mediterranean soundscapes for modern listeners.